Buick Envision Maintenance Service. Buick is a division of the American automobile manufacturer General Motors. Started by automotive pioneer David Dunbar Buick, it was among the first American marques of automobiles, and was the company that established General Motors in 1908. The 2017 Buick Envision is a compact luxury crossover SUV that offers a blend of comfort, style, and modern features. Here are some key features and considerations for the 2017 Buick Envision. If you're looking for information on servicing a Buick Envision, it's important to note that maintenance procedures and schedules may vary depending on the model year and specific trim level. Here are some general guidelines that you may find useful. Regular maintenance. Oil changes. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for oil change intervals. This is typically done every few thousand miles or as specified in the owner's manual. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top up essential fluids such as coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Tire maintenance. Rotate your tires regularly and ensure proper tire inflation. Replace tires when tread wear is significant. Scheduled services. Scheduled inspections. Follow the manufacturer's recommended service schedule for routine inspections. These inspections may cover various vehicle systems and components. Brake system. Regularly inspect the brake system, including brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid. Replace components as needed. Battery check. Check the battery regularly, and replace it if needed. Ensure battery terminals are clean and free of corrosion. Additional tips. Owner's manual. Refer to the vehicle's owner's manual for specific maintenance schedules, recommended fluids, and other important information. Authorized service centers. Utilize authorized Buick service centers for maintenance and repairs to ensure that genuine parts and proper procedures are used. Remember that the Buick Envision service requirements may vary, so always refer to the specific owner's manual for your model year and trim level. Additionally, your local Buick dealership service department can provide personalized advice based on your vehicle's needs. If you have a specific maintenance concern or question about a particular model year, feel free to provide more details, and I'll do my best to assist you.